Namaste and good morning, all again. So, I had mentioned before that people had asked for other readings about teachers, and some may come forward. I was going to do one possibly on Ramana Maharishi, which will be nice. I have definitely, there's been some writing that has come before, and the pendulum has gone up to his image, which is, what can you say, pure love. So that will be a nice one to have, and also some of the comments that have come through have not shown up. Of course, the nasty ones have shown up quite fine, but some of the nicer sounding ones, the decent ones, haven't shown, at least from my end. So hopefully they do other people's. So I have to look into that. But there's also other possibilities for readings, and because the pendulum will read anything, and one of my more favorite ones are the nature readings that have been done that just shows the preciousness of nature and the way that the energy works with it, and also crystals, different crystals is very interesting to display their story, artwork, clothing. Okay, it really doesn't matter. It will read anything, which is something. I mean, it's all energy, so it's going to read anything. And there's other possibilities for readings if people are interested. I have mentioned, if anyone has anything else. But there's so much happening on the earth, on the planet, in politics now. One thing that is rather so disconcerting amongst so many is this drilling that may begin in Alaska. And there's just this pristine, beautiful, well-preserved land that they want to go in and begin this drilling for oil, which, when I see these things, I mean, really my heart breaks for so much of it. But I have to say, with the planetary things, the earth, the ecology, how that's being destroyed and degraded now by, and everything being turned backwards right now with the people we have now in power, is so hard to see, and it's just really affecting all of us more than what we realize, and it will move forward and continue. And so I was considering doing a reading on that, what it benefits. I don't know. If you're ever in a position to speak out against this, to work with this, please, please, please do. Use your voice, use whatever you have at hand to resist this. Because there's some things, we can, if we can change the system, we can turn back. Other things we can never get back. Some animals are gone that will never return. Some cultures are gone. They've been devastated, that are magnificent in their wisdom, in their knowledge, in their ways that could bring a whole different energetic feeling. As we talked about, when you look at certain images or listen to certain people, you feel energy that may feel so, help to bring balance and peace. This is what we feel. So if we have these other things around us, such as animals, nature, green, or good food, and cultures that can give us, these more native or more this, I want to say earth-based, nature-based knowledge of spirit, we'll all feel it in ways we don't even realize. And I think people are so used to their regular way of feeling, and it's what's normal or what's common to them, that they don't know another way. And so, but there is another way in which we could all feel the blessings of spirit just be there around us, without all these barriers of these power structures. It just, I can watch the news, but, when they start repeating things, I just know. But I've never kept so in touch with it, I have to say, because it's just so concerning now. And so, there's readings on that for whatever it will bring, at least maybe more awareness. So these are things too that will be good to bring out. But we'll see what comes. I mean, right here again, the sadhana has always been a priority. It will continue to be. In terms of these pendulum readings that come forward, their energy, I enjoy energy. It's interesting. It is not something that is necessary to bring forward. It doesn't matter truly. It's just there. People may get something of value from it or not, and this is fine. When it ends, it ends. If it was given up today, it'd be given up today in a minute. It's not a big deal. But it may bring, while it is here, some clarity, some awareness, some positive messages, or some uncovering of things that under the covers that you need to look at a little more. Um, that's what it is. And just like when those visions were so strong, they're much more murky now. And things change, they evolve. And I would imagine that will happen again. Not the too far of the future, if that makes sense. All right, so again, thanks for tuning in, and just happy to have all here. And boy, this mind is getting slower and slower, I have to say, which I'll take. It's been a long one. It's long. This journey's long. Okay, it's no easy thing, and this is all that one can say. Okay, bye now.